Chapter 4, Lesson 5, Multiply by a two-digit number. And today we're going to use that standard algorithm that even your parents learned when they were in school. Place value can help you multiply. Example 1, Anne's mom buys 2 helmets. Each helmet costs $24. How much does she spend on helmets? So we need to know 2 helmets, and they cost $24 each. Is a signal word, a clue, and the question is how much does she spend on helmets? So that's what we need to answer working through this. So with the standard algorithm, what we're going to do is start with the ones place. So I circled the ones place. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 ones is 8 ones. There. And then I circled we're multiplying to the tens place. So I circled how that multiplication looks. 2 times 2 is 4 tens, so it's also 40. So the part that they're not showing is the addition of 40 plus 8. So here's, I just wrote out the 40 plus 8 equals 48. So Anne's mom spends 48, and I don't want to forget my dollar sign, $48 on helmets would be the complete answer. And they also showed with the area model, so we've got the 24 broken into its expanded form, 20 plus 4. 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 4 is 8. Now they've got the 40 plus 8, and we can see that that matches 48 that we did up here. And in this example, they want us to practice our estimation because I know that's rough for some. 31 bikes were ordered from Jimmy's bike shop. Each bike has 2 tires. How many tires will Jimmy need for the bikes? They like to write it out in word form, so we really have to look. There's one of the pieces of information we need. 2 tires. Each is one of our clue words. Question is, how many tires will Jimmy need for the bikes? Now we're going to estimate 31. If I did my number line 30 to 40, 31 is closer to 30, so it's going to round down. Woo! That looks a bit like a 9. Let me redo that. 30. There we go. Times 2. This is our estimation. 3 times 2 is 6, so 30 times 2 is 60. So we're going to check and see when we do the actual answer if that is similar to our estimate. Now I'm going to do the ones place. 1 times 2 is 2. Let me change colors. Now I'm going to do the tens place. This is the part that people forget. They want to just go 3 times 0 or just bring down the 3. But we have to do 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 62. So Jimmy will need 62 bike tires. The product, 62, is close to the estimate, which was 60. So that tells me my answer is reasonable. Talk with your partner. Suppose you found 99 as the product of 33 times 3. How can you check to see if your answer is reasonable? Well, 99 looks really close to another number, so you could think about that. And then rounding one of these. That'll help. When you're doing your guided practice, it does say check for reasonableness, so you have room next to each problem to set up an estimation in order to check and see if this makes sense. So please do that.